Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. I'm Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2012 Land Rover Freelander GS. Now this car was taken in part exchange by ourselves on a newer Land Rover, and I must admit it is an absolutely wonderful car all round. Condition wise it's as good as I've seen in a very long time. Now this obviously is 10 years old now, 2012. And the car is finished in the Stornaway grey metallic, which is a very nice colour. Now the GS sits on the nice alloy wheels there, and they're the 17-inch alloy. Now this car's got the mud flaps and also the wind surrounds and the roof bars as well, which just add to the exterior look. Now the vehicle, obviously, the new later Freelanders, which this is, so the very last one, was very similar to that of the Range Rover, so it gets the diamond style front grille and the front end there that looks like the first of the Range Rover Sports. Now the metallic paint finish is in great condition, even though it's sort of drizzling here. Down the sides of the vehicle, the paintwork and the car is really pretty much free from any sort of dent, ding or mark. Now you will find the odd, I suppose, mark here and there, stone chip that we've touched in with the pencil, with it being a 2012 car having covered 85,000 miles. Now this is, I say, the GS model. It does have the tow pack as well, with twin electric sockets there if you do need to tow a caravan or a trailer. Now the load liner is there, just slide that back and that gives you that really large boot area, and then underneath the floor we do have a full-size alloy wheel. It's quite a rare thing now, getting a spare wheel, never alone a full factory alloy wheel. So we've got 5 alloy wheels, so don't worry about if you ever have a puncture. But again, all the wheels are in super condition and the car is riding on fantastic tyres. Looking down the driver's side again, it is in great condition. Testament to the previous keeper, really. Privacy glass in the back, so keeps it nice and cool if you do have any pets that you need to carry. 2 keys are in my pocket. The service documentation is all pictured on our website, so take a look at that. It is a very well maintained vehicle. Will be serviced by ourselves before it leaves. So this car has the power folding mirrors. It has the Alpine stereo system as well. The driver's seat is in great condition. Very nice interior, these. So this is when Land Rover were pretty much improving everything, and this has to be arguably the best Freelander that they built. So I'll just pop the key in. So there we go, we've got the 2 keys, and that then just goes into that slot. Dip the clutch, press the car, and up she starts. Tells us we need 33 miles over from an oil service, but as I say, we will do that before it leaves Wigan. 85,914 miles as we do the clock. Steering wheel again, exactly the same as in a Defender, a Land Rover Discovery, Range Rover, etc. Cruise control, and then Bluetooth details. We've got automatic wipers, automatic headlamps. We've also got heated front windscreen, air conditioning, climate control, obviously hill descent control, and also the off-road functions. CD player, yeah, everything's there. Bluetooth telephone again. So first of the cars which had Bluetooth, thinking back all those many years ago, gosh, what were we doing with it? Bluetooth, and this has it. Well, anyway, passenger seat is in great condition. I can smell that I don't, well, obviously I don't smoke, but I can also tell the car doesn't have a smell that anybody has either. In the glove box we have the book pack, the locking wheel nut key, and obviously the service book. But yeah, lovely car, revs really nice. No warning lights or anything on there. I have drove the car, I've done about 30 miles in it, and it drives absolutely superb. 4-wheel drive, so you can go anywhere, do anything, as Land Rovers you would do. In the back there, you get loads of space for children. Isofix if you do need it. Nice headroom in these. Light roof lining, so it gives a really nice spacious feel to it in the car. But no, what can I say other than it's got everything that was there when it was new 10 years ago. So 2 keys, full book pack, all the book packs stamped. I think there's about 8 or 9 services in there. We'll service it before it leaves Wigan. Tyres are all in great condition. It's got a tow bar, which is a bonus. Headlamp wash, mud flaps, sun visors, sun vents, roof bars, everything you'd want. So if you want to reserve it, give me a call. I'll take £250 deposit from you. That's fully refundable when you get to Wigan if the car's not to your standard or in any respect, once you've drove it, you don't like it. No problem at all. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call. I'll give you a price. Take away your part exchange off the screen that it's advertised at, and that's what you pay. If you need finance, we can do that for you. We can do the finance all before you arrive. And then once you've approved it, we just press the return button on the computer, your finance goes live, and your monthly payment goes out 4 weeks after you've collected it. So very, very simple. We make it fun, we make it enjoyable, as used cars should be. So have a look at our website, you'll see the service history. Have a look at our social media, you'll see customers from all over the UK collecting cars off us on a daily basis, just like you are. Don't worry, from wherever you are in the country, this car is in absolutely fantastic order. As I say, it's as good as I've ever seen for a 10-year-old Freelander, locally owned to us. The people who owned it, they were Land Rover people, they bought a newer Land Rover from us. But yeah, but as I say, have a look at our reviews. You'll see what customers are saying about us who've bought cars off us this week or last week. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.